Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Rich on Money. Today I'm sharing how to grow your YouTube channel fast in 2025. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up, these tips will help you. Let's jump in. First up, YouTube Shorts. These little videos are a big deal. They're an easy way to get views and new subscribers. Why? Because they're short and grab attention fast. If you're not posting shorts, you're missing out. Second, let's talk about SEO. This is the secret sauce to being discovered. Think of it like a map that helps people find your videos. Titles. Include keywords that people are searching for. Descriptions. Be clear. Tell YouTube what your video is about. Tags. Use related keywords to help YouTube match your video with the right audience. Third, consistency. Upload regularly. Doesn't matter if it's once a week or 3 times, just stick to a schedule. The more videos you post, the more likely YouTube will recommend your content. Set a plan and keep going. Next, engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask questions. The more you interact, the more likely people are to stick around. And YouTube likes that. So, keep the conversation going. Last tip, trends and collabs. Stay on top of trends. Use them in your videos to ride the wave. You can also work with other creators. It's a win-win. You get exposure and so do they. Those are my tips for growing your YouTube channel fast in 2025. If you like this, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments which tip you'll use first. See you in the next video.